Okay, so you've sold some items and now I'm going to show you how to use eBay shipping. eBay shipping is where you can go directly on eBay and actually print out your postage, print out postage labels that you can put on the box and ship the items out. In fact, you no longer have to go to the post office anymore and have them do it for you. You can do this from home and then just drop the packages off at the post office counter or in some cases on the dock behind the post office, which really saves you a ton of time. In the early days of me selling on eBay, before we had eBay shipping, I'd have to go to the post office and spend 30, 45 minutes, sometimes an hour, as the postal clerk set up the postage for all of my packages. And we've just saved so much time by using eBay shipping. You know, when they came out with this, it was like a godsend. It was just really, really a powerful way to go. Now, I normally would walk you through this on the eBay site itself, but in this particular case, because I'm concerned for the privacy of the person whose item I'm going to be shipping, as well as my own privacy, I'm using one of my lesser used eBay accounts. I have 3 eBay accounts where I sell a variety of different things on each account. So I'm using one of my lesser used accounts, and I'm also going to be blurring out the name and the address of the person that we're shipping to, as well as my own name and address, because just out of a concern for privacy. So let me walk you through how this works. What you do is you're going to go to your My eBay page. So you would click here, and when you click here, there's going to be a drop-down menu. You want to click on Selling. So when you click on Selling, it's going to bring you here, and over on the left side of the page, you'll see this menu under Sell. So what you want to do is click on Sold. And when you click on Sold, it's going to show you all the items that have sold. So here we have an item that I sold on February 22nd, the 15th, and this is going to be where you can print your shipping label. So all you do is click on Print Shipping Label, and then you're going to have this page pop up where you can enter the details of your package. So you can tell eBay that you want this either first class, media mail, priority mail, or whatever it is that you would choose there. Then you can also give the weight of the item. In this case, it's a very lightweight item. This is going to give the ship to address and the ship from address. And then you can add additional options if you want. You can add signature confirmation. You can add insurance to the package. Obviously, you would mention whether it contains hazardous materials, etc., etc. And then you could set the mailing date, even in advance a little bit if you wanted to. Once everything is correct here, then your postage cost is going to show up over here. And eBay gives you a discount if you're a good seller and things like that. So, sometimes you'll get a little bit knocked off of your postage cost. When everything looks great, go ahead and click Purchase Postage. And then this page will pop up, which will actually have your purchased postage. It shows that they've deducted $1.93 from your PayPal account, because now your PayPal account is tied to your eBay account. And if everything looks right there, just go ahead and click Print Label, and your label will print. Use the correct, label paper and make sure that it's the right kind of sticky paper. Your label will print, and then you could put it onto the box, and it's ready to go. It's prepaid postage, ready to go. This has saved so much time over how we used to do it. The ability to just print postage at will is really powerful. When you have really easy items to ship, it's so much better because, for example, with this particular item, this is a 2 DVD set that I ship. And all I do is I pop the DVD set into a bubble envelope, I put the invoice in there, I slap the label on it, I drop it off at the dock at the post office, behind the post office, and it's done. I mean, it's so easy. And you could do this at any time of day or any time of night. So very often I'll print up, 10 of these really quickly and get them all shipped and done literally in like 10-15 minutes. It's that fast. So that's one of the awesome things about eBay shipping is you can do your shipping from home. In fact, you can even call the postal service to have them pick up all your items from your front door. They'll do that for you. So eBay shipping is an amazing way to easily ship all your stuff. It's an awesome tool. Be sure that you learn it and you use it for all of your eBay needs.